So I'm doing unboxing of the webcam, which is 4K Pro webcam from Logitech. I got it at Best Buy. It says 4K Pro webcam, supposed to have 60 frames and 1000p, but also more than that, I think, because 4K is more than that. In box it has webcam, cable, instruction, and I don't know what's this. What's this? I don't know. And it says it has some features like premium video experience, and which has HDR and right light, and it gives you nice light. Looks like this, and it's for Windows and Mac, and even from Chrome OS. So I removed this box, and it came inside in this box. So I open it now. Wow! So it looks like this. Inside. Okay. So it's nice black Logitech, and then look what you do to unbox it like this. Oh, it's funny. And then inside, what is inside? How to open it? Wait. And then inside is another box, which has here some openings, and take those things out and see what's inside. So here's some instructions, so I don't need it, but let's see. Here is some cable, USB to USB-C, I think. Here's some cloth. Here's instruction. So you connect the webcam to cable and then to laptop. You place it here, or you can put it to the tripod. But this webcam doesn't come with tripod. But it comes with cable, which we have to unbox and open, because we need to plug it into the computer. So it's nice thick cable. It says Logi, and it's with some small Velcro. Okay, and it comes with this cloth, which is what? Let's open it. Cloth looks like this, and it says it's from this nice material, and it has even this thingy, also good for lenses. And here it says Logitech, and this webcam. How I open it? So this webcam is heavy, it's elegant, like better quality. So like this part is very nicely, like almost like metal, because it seems cold. Like laptops have that metal frame sometimes. Here is that input. Oh, so I connected this way, so it's USB. That's good. USB go to computer, and here this goes to webcam here on this end. Okay. And this webcam also have something like this, which is security. No, it's camera cover, and you place it here and cover camera. Okay, so hello. I remove headphones. So here is the camera. Now let's remove plastic. I still have to finish unboxing, like so. Here it opens like so. Wow, it's a 180 angle. And here this part is stretchable. I see. This camera has like some light here, and lens 1 and lens 2. So that's cool. So I connect it with this thing. I like the smell of this metal. Smells like new laptop, or like some expensive stuff. Okay, it's connected. Hope it's not gonna be loose connection. Wow, this cable is really thick. I didn't know that. When this thingy might be in the way sometimes, but hope not. Okay, wait a minute. So here's the thingy with widescreen, and here's standard. So widescreen and standard, much different. I don't know. I don't like that it's so bluish. So let's go now. Restore to defaults and see what's gonna be. Oh, it's better. I don't like that blue, and now it's nice colors. So let's put widescreen. See, much better. Standard. In advanced, you can make it too brighter, contrast bigger. Autofocus, color intensity. See, it's intensified or less. And white balance. When it's white balance off and it's blue. Okay. So I will make it closer to me, but I have to film myself here. So here is me. Does it focusing on my face? I guess so. So I'm moving it around and checking if it's focusing, because sometimes that camera is losing focus. So yeah, this is nice. So yeah, this is me. So yeah, it looks nice. Is it gonna focus? Yeah. Okay, so autofocus working. Camera is nice. Actually, I like the colors and quality because it's nice quality. Better than my previous, which was Logitech C920. So yeah, when I will be Skyping with my friends or sister, she will see me correctly and better quality. Okay, so that's it of my camera unboxing. This is nice Logitech webcam. I don't know what I can put it in OBS because I have software OBS installed, and here is the image in. I added that camera in the OBS for Mac, and it seems added. Okay, so it's nice. But if I want to use better settings, I don't know. And I think I have to change something, but for now I don't change, just keep that way. And just to show you that it's easy to add, and it says Brio when you add it. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing of Logitech Brio. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube videos and my channel, as it's free and you can be connected. So yeah, hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next ones. Bye. See you in the next ones. And have a nice day. Happy New Year. Bye bye.